How to convert Canva designs into system.io. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Canva designs into system.io. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Canva and system.io, you could also use the link in the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a user-friendly graphic design platform that enables individuals and businesses to create a wide range of visual content, from social media, posts, and presentations to marketing materials and infographics. And all you need to do is to simply sign in on Canva, and after that, you can simply click the Create Design in here on the left side panel and choose here the kind of templates that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose poster templates. Upon clicking on it, it will show you a variety of sizes. I'm going to choose this portrait. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this Canva with a blank page in here. And on the left side panel, we can start using some other templates. You can simply scroll down till you find the pre-templates that it offers. But some of it offer or need to have a premium account to use it. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, as you can see, it is now in here. We can start customizing the elements it contains and contents, starting to the context, to the graphic design, elements, and even the images, and many more. For example, I'm going to enter here a website, visit us, and enter here your website. For example, I'm going to enter google.com. So this is just basically an example of a website, and I'm going to input here a link. And to do that, all you need to do is simply highlight here or select this google.com and right click on your mouse, then you will be directed what will show you in this pop-up window some of the options, and just click the link option in here or enter Ctrl K, and in here just simply enter the link. For example, I'm going to enter google.com, and upon clicking enter, it will show you in here the URL, and just click done to proceed. So when the customer try to click that link google.com, they will automatically be directed on the URL or the website. And for example, this is the design of Canva that we just created. And to convert it in our system.io account, you simply go in here, system.io, and simply sign in your account in here. And on this dashboard on the top panel, kindly click the website and click sales funnels. And below, to start creating a sales funnel, you can now proceed by clicking the create button on the top right corner. Then on this pop-up window, just simply enter the name in here. For example, I'm going to enter sample Canva project. And below, you simply choose your funnel goal. I'm going to choose custom. And for the currency, you can simply choose here depending on the currency that you prefer. For example, you're looking for $1, but at this point, I'm just choosing this Australian dollar in here. And click the save button to proceed. And after that, you will be directed in here. Just simply click on it. And on the left side panel, under step configuration, just click add step. And on this pop-up window again, just simply enter the name and also choose the step type. For example, I'm going to enter page 1. While below here, under the type, just simply select here either webinar, contact us page, but let's say I'm going to choose squeeze page in here in all of those options, and click save to proceed. You could also choose a template, but I'm going to start from scratch. By clicking the save button in here, you will automatically be directed on this page, and just click edit page button to proceed. But you could also start customizing the URL path in here if you want to. But moving on this editing page, in here, in order to convert our Canva, you simply go on the left side panel elements and simply scroll down in here until you find this kind of elements that says raw HTML. So gonna drag it in here, and it will show you by clicking on it system.io on the left side panel. We can start editing a code and simply paste here the embed code. And to convert the Canva design, just simply click the share button on the top right corner. But you could also start customizing using the other elements in here and either change a design if you want to. But to start converting this design, just click the share button on the top right and click the CO. And after that, just simply choose here embed. Upon clicking the embed, just simply click this embed button once again, and it will show you the two options in here. This is embed code that you need to copy. And after that, simply go back to this page and paste it by clicking edit code. And from here, just simply select here all of this and delete this and paste the embed code from our Canva. Then click the save button below to proceed, and it will show you in here the result, which is our Canva design has now been converted to system.io. And when we click this google.com in here, we will be able to be directed on this google.com website, which is the link in here. You could also start customizing by adding more text on the left side panel, editing tools, media files, and many more. You could also change the margins in here, depending on your preferences. And to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. But overall, that is just basically how you can convert Canva designs into system.io.